Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel MJ Manjari. In my previous video, I had explained the EMRS Recruitment Advertisement 2025 in complete detail, vacancies, eligibility and important dates. And today, I will show you exactly how to apply online step by step from registration all the way to final confirmation page. I will also share a checklist, document tip and common mistake to avoid. So let's get started. So for applying, you need to go on this website. On the top it is written National Education Society for Tribal Student EMRS Staff Selection Examination 2025. As you can see, these are the steps to apply online. First, you need to register yourself. Second, you need to fill online application form. Then third, you need to pay the examination fees. And lastly, you have to download the confirmation page, which you will keep with you when you are going for online written exam. Next one is register yourself, or second option is already registered candidate. So if you have already registered, you can just click here and you can log in. If this is your first time, just go down. Once you go down here, as you can see, you can download the detailed advertisement from here, or this is for new registration and this is for login. If you have already done the registration part, then you can log in from here. I will show from the first one. So let's click on new registration. Once you click on registration, as you can see here, three parts are there. First one is registration, second application form, and third is your fees payment. And from here also you can download the detailed advertisement. Now let's see what are the instruction given here. So first thing, candidate may apply for any post recruitment online only through official website. This is the official website. Before proceeding, ensure that you meet eligibility criteria specified for post you intend to apply. Before applying, you check your eligibility, whether you are eligible or not. Then this is the fees. For female, SC, ST and physically handicapped, there is no application fees. They need to pay only processing fees. So for all the posts, they need to pay only 500 rupees. But for other candidate, they have two fees. They need to pay application fees plus processing fees. So for principal post, they need to pay 2,500. For PGT and TGT, they need to pay 2,000. And for non-teaching staff, they need to pay 1,500 rupees as fees. Next, that fees payment should be done only online, either through net banking, debit card, credit card or UPI. Now your application process, first one is one-time registration. Then first they need to complete the registration form. Then they will get a registration number along with password, which will be used for future login. So after you complete your registration, you are going to get a registration number along with password, which you will use for login. Then guideline for uploading of image. Your scanned photograph and signature should be in JPG format. The size of photograph should be 100 KB, 10 KB to 200 KB. Size of signature should be between 10 KB to 50 KB, and photograph must be either colored or black and white, but should have clear contrast. Candidate must carefully enter their detail and upload document, as no modification will be allowed after final submission. After you submit it finally, you won't be able to change it. So this is your registration. Then you need to apply for desired post, which is the second one, where you are going to fill all the detail. And the third step, you need to pay the fees. So now let's see the registration. So first you need to click on this checkbox and then click here to proceed. So now let's click here. So now you have received this registration form. So you need to fill all these details, like first your candidate name, and as instruction says, it should be same as your 10th passing certificate or mark sheet. So you have candidate name, father's name, mother's name, date of birth, your gender, identity type and identity number. So here you need to select whether Aadhaar card, passport, voter ID, and whatever you are selecting, that number you need to enter here. Now next, Confirmation of personal detail, again you need to confirm your name, father's name, mother's name, date of birth and gender. Then you need to enter your present address, wherever you are staying, that you need to enter. Then they are going to ask your electronic communication address, means they are asking your email ID. Again enter your email ID, then mobile number, confirm your mobile number, and if you have landline with STD, then it's optional. If you have, then do it, otherwise not compulsory. Then your permanent address. If your present address and permanent address both are same, just check on this box, it will automatically get filled. If they are different, then you need to fill your permanent address again. Then you need to choose the password. So you can choose your password, confirm your password. Then you need to select one security questions, like what is the name of your school, what is your favorite color, whatever question you are choosing, accordingly write the answer here. Then enter the captcha and click on submit button. So now I will fill this registration form and then I will show you the next step. After you click on submit button, you are going to get this review page. Please review the following information carefully. If you like to change any information entered, you may do so by pressing edit registration form or submit and send OTP. So first check if any error is there, you can click on this. If there's no error, everything is okay, then you can click submit and send OTP. So now let's do that. So I will click on I agree. So before that I need to check all these boxes, like I have checked all these things. So let's check all this, then declaration I agree. Now let's click on submit and send OTP to verify mobile number. So do you wish to submit the registration form and get OTP? So click on yes button. So now as you can see here, they are going to send me OTP which I need to enter. So this OTP is sent on my mobile number. After registration, you will get your registration number here, and as you can see here, it's saying that registration form is completed. Now I need to fill this candidate form. So I can click here to complete my profile, and if I want, I can change my password here and I can log out from here. And my mobile number is already verified. I can verify my email ID from here. So now let's click on candidate profile. Let's complete this profile. Now in candidate one, there are 4 parts are there. First part is contact detail, which is already completed. Second is personal detail, then document upload, and finally profile submission. So now let's click on personal detail to fill that. So in personal detail, few details are already filled because I have done in the registration form. Now let's fill all other, like first one is nationality, then whether you are person domiciled in Jammu Kashmir during these years, so yes, otherwise no. Then category here, it will be your general, SC, ST, OBC. So if you are general, you can just click on unreserved. Next, you can need to confirm. Then if you are physically handicapped, then select yes or no. If you are physically handicapped, then you will get option here whether you want the scriber or writer or not. If yes, then whether you are ex-serviceman, all the detail enter here. Then your marital status, and then enter the captcha here and click on save and next button. So these all are the detail they are asking in personal detail. Now they are asking, are you want to submit this section? These are personal detail. So if you are confirmed, then click on yes button. In the next step is your document upload. Here you need to upload your photograph as per format JPG, minimum size 10 KB, maximum size 200 KB. Same your signature JPG format, minimum 10 KB and maximum 15 KB. After uploading photo, you need to go on profile submission and submit all the detail and select the post for which you are applying. Then you need to pay your fees, which is according to your post. If you are applying for principal, you need to pay 2,500. If you are applying for PGT or TGT, you need to pay 2,000 rupees. and if you are applying for non-teaching post, then you need to pay 1500 rupees per post. After paying the fees, you can download the confirmation page. That's all for today's video. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. We'll meet in another video with some more interesting information for you. Till then, goodbye. Keep learning.